Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to improve your sports betting game, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into 7 habits that can boost your betting success, drawing wisdom from the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. Alright, so you want to be a better sports bettor? You want to elevate your game and make smarter choices? You want to be one of those guys, those sharp cats who are always one step ahead, always in the know? The first thing you need to understand is the importance of logic and rational thinking. Think of the Stoics, man. Those dudes were all about reason, right? They mastered the art of keeping emotions in check. They didn't let their emotions cloud their judgment, and neither should you. Emotions can be your worst enemy in betting. You can't be placing bets based on your gut feeling or because your buddy in the bar told you to. That's a recipe for disaster. We're talking about cold, hard data, baby. Numbers don't lie. Analyze those statistics. Study the players, understand the game inside and out. Dive deep into the details. That's how you make informed decisions. That's how you win. It's all about being methodical and precise. Listen, we've all been there. It's a common scenario, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. You're on a hot streak, winning bet after bet, feeling like a goddamn champion. The adrenaline rush is real, and it feels unbeatable. Then you get a little too confident, a little too greedy, and bam! Reality hits you hard. You place a stupid bet and lose it all. The regret is instant, and it stings. That's why self-control is so crucial, my friend. It's the difference between success and failure. It's like Marcus Aurelius said, discipline equals freedom. This ancient wisdom still holds true today. Set a budget for yourself, and I don't care if it's $50 or $500, you stick to it. This is your safety net. Don't chase losses. And for God's sake, don't let your emotions get the best of you. It's a slippery slope. Stay calm, stay disciplined, and you'll be surprised at how much better your bets will be. Consistency is key, and it pays off in the long run. You know what's crazy about sports? It's unpredictable, man. You can do all the research in the world, but sometimes that ball just bounces the wrong way. But here's the thing, you can't control the outcome of the game. What you can control is your preparation, your strategy, your mindset. The Stoics were all about focusing on what you can influence, and that's what separates the amateurs from the pros in the betting world. So, block out the noise, ignore the distractions, and concentrate on what you can control. Your research, your analysis, your decision-making process. That's where the real power lies. Chapter 4, reflect on your bets. Here's the deal, learning from your mistakes is huge. And I'm not just talking about the bad bets, man. You gotta analyze the wins too. Seneca, that old Stoic dude, he was big on self-improvement. He believed in constantly evaluating yourself, your actions, your decisions, and that's what you gotta do with your bets. After each one, take some time to reflect. Did your research pay off? Did you stick to your budget? What could you have done differently? This kind of introspection, this willingness to learn and adapt, that's what will make you a better bettor in the long run. Chapter 5, accept outcomes calmly. Let me tell you something, winning feels amazing, there's no doubt about it. But losing is a part of the game, my friend. Epictetus, another one of those Stoic badasses, he said that you should accept things as they are. Don't get too high on the wins, and don't get too low on the losses. It's all part of the process. The key is to remain calm and composed no matter what. Treat every outcome as a learning experience, an opportunity to grow, because that's how you become a true master of the game. Chapter 6. Seek knowledge constantly. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't do it. The world of sports is constantly evolving, man. New players, new stats, new trends. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you've got to be a student of the game. The Stoics, they were all about lifelong learning. They believed in constantly expanding their knowledge, seeking out new information, and that's what you've got to do if you want to be a successful sports bettor. Read books, follow experts, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart bets. Chapter 7. Cultivate patience. Listen, I know it's tempting to want to bet on every single game, but trust me, patience is a virtue, especially in the world of sports betting. The Stoics, they understood the importance of long-term thinking. They didn't rush into things, they waited for the right moment to strike. And that's what you got to do with your bets. Don't get caught up in the hype. Don't chase every single opportunity. Be patient, analyze the situation, and wait for the right time to place your bet. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful sports betting career. So there you have it, my friends. 7 habits inspired by the wisdom of the Stoics that can help you up your sports betting game. Remember, it's not just about winning or losing, it's about approaching betting with a clear mind, a disciplined approach, and a commitment to continuous learning. If you can do that, you'll be well on your way to becoming a true master of the sports betting universe. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Let's keep the conversation going and let's keep those bets rolling. By incorporating these 7 habits inspired by Stoic philosophy, you can enhance your sports betting experience and increase your chances of success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Happy betting! The Stoics taught us the importance of resilience, patience, and wisdom. These principles are not just for life, but can be applied to sports betting as well. Take notes, stay disciplined, and always be willing to learn from both your wins and your losses. Share your journey with others, and you might find that the community can offer valuable insights and support. Approach each bet with a calm and focused mind, and you'll find that your decision-making improves significantly. So keep these habits in mind, and may your sports betting journey be both enjoyable and successful. Thanks for watching.